I want me a man.
You definitely need a man.
I'm just saying, I ain't even had no, I needed some love somewhere.
You need me.
Oh, I don't. Hey, Erica, how you doing, sister? Mwah, mwah.
I'm gonna give you a kiss because I love you, but bitch.
It is so much tension in this room. Spice is on 10. I am not sure what's about to happen.
I'm so happy that we are doing this. So, what's going on?
Be nice. Both girls, okay? Y'all got me in the midst. I feel like I'm sitting in between two demons.
Right. You know, one of the things that I love most about you was your whole career is based off of you going after your dreams, but more importantly, because of your children. You're a single mother. You've been doing this for probably from the time you had them on your own, taking care of your own family. All of those things are why I relate to you so much. You know my situation.
I know some of it.
You know enough. I don't want you to think that I came to you with the drama
But that's how
going
I
on.
felt. I felt like it was a big moment for me. It was all about me celebrating, you know, the keys to the region.
Right.
And then, you know, you wanted to make it about something else and the safari and the drama. And it has
Not really, because from what I'm gathering and what was told to me, you received voice notes of Safari saying that I was upset with the fact he felt some type of way about what was happening to you.
Were you upset?
No.
Okay.
I was actually upset what was happening to you, yeah. So much so that me and my friend fasted for 2 days. I didn't, you know, I prayed.
Wait a minute, wait, hold on. Now I done got scared. You done sit up here and saw this big ass lies about you and Sierra. Three mean girls done fast for Spice.
I ain't gonna push nothing like that out my ass. I don't play with that.
Was y'all all three in the same goddamn room fasting together?
Those 3 days,
Was
we
y'all
was
three
on
together
FaceTime,
holding
we
it?
was praying.
Girl, y'all went fast no FaceTime.
Yes, the hell, bitch. You should try a fast.
I know what fasting is. And I also know that her, Sierra, and Bamber ain't fast for mother Spice. What made me think they were fasting for Spice? Because if them bitches was fasting for their marriage, they'd still be married. Can the church say amen? Amen.
Listen, Spice, and I told Safari what was going on with you. His reaction was, oh my God, I wouldn't know what would happen to me if something happens to Spice. And I said, well, damn, I was your wife pregnant. Almost lost my life and our baby. In a really dark time. I was in the hospital, which the whole world saw. Safari made it seem like he, quote unquote, started crying and I went ballistic about it. And that was nowhere near what happened. The problem is that you're believing somebody and not even hearing my side of the story.
But why did you feel the need to compare us, though? Because at the time...
Any woman would have.
And why? Why would you compare?
Your friend, and he felt that way. I was his wife. And he felt nothing.
That don't have nothing to do with me if he felt nothing for you. Like, so it's just confusing.
So
like, why?
If you were in my shoes, you're telling me you wouldn't feel no type of way as a woman?
What do you mean if I was in your shoes? In what way? What do you mean? Because I feel like your problem is, Erica, you feel like you're the first woman to be divorced. That's the problem. I feel like you're acting like you're the first woman to be divorced and you're the first woman that's left with 2 children to fend for. I've been doing it for 14 years. Welcome to the club.
Girl, I've been doing it for
nowhere.
16.
Okay?
16.
Okay, with your son that don't like you. My son loves me.
How do you know that's not my son?
I'm always making it about you.
How do you know about my son?
You said I know about it, right? That's what you said. Started the conversation and said,
You don't know about my son. I don't believe y'all just Grace is officially disgrace in my book. This woman was given a second chance at life by God. And here she is choosing to use that second chance at life to come at me and my son. It just speaks volumes on who she is. Once you cross the line and speak on my kids, just know we will forever have beef.
children monkeys. You should have did that, Erica. That was out of line.
Safari is your karma, bitch. Serves you right.
Why does everybody have a problem that my son does not want to be in the limelight? That is not my fault. I'm giving my son what the he wants. The one time I had him in the limelight, outside people raided his space. He is traumatized.
Kiss my ass, bitch.
You should have died, huh?
Serve you right, Safari is your karma, bitch. And now we tomorrow until you say never like I like girls. You piece of trash. Yo, I hate everybody that is let me out. We hearing that she wish I died on the table and giving me all these racial slurs. Now that the real Erica is out, it just proved to me that Safari wasn't even lying in the first place.
And I bet you she got that from Safari. I bet you.
Man, I don't believe it.
My mama, I'll tell you something about your son. Real quick, I know something about you. Don't do that. Hey, girl, hold on. Hey, what about your son, girl? What about your son? What about your son? Your oldest son.
It's typical bad bitch, scrappy fashion. He wants to go low and bring up my child to deflect, his disgusting decision